Hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel How Logical. In this video, I'll teach you how you can download Ace Wallet, which is a mobile wallet app that makes holding and also trading Bitcoin simple, while also allowing users to send, receive and trade additional digital currencies. So first of all, you need to search for Ace Wallet in your App Store or Play Store. After that, you will be able to see a app that pops up at top, which is of Ace Wallet in green logo by company named Airbits Inc. And don't forget, you'll find the download option on the right side. Just click on it and the download will begin automatically. Once the download gets complete, click to open and you will be able to access it. So this is how you can download Ace Wallet. If you encounter any issue during the download process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.